put a latte in, isn't it? It's louder than that.
There's a feather.
We're having barbecue for nuts.
That on here, come on.
Are we on the step?
We said like to last time, remember when you and me were doing it?
Wait. Are you having fun cooking the barbecue?
There's two
Sell
pots
everything,
that you've
like,
got for about £5. Loads of different ones in it.
Different wash. You were going to spit at me, weren't you? You were trying to get out. Darling, what are you doing? You don't want to fill the potatoes. All the
Filling the Go get him.
There you go.
And then go ride on my bike. There's on my trampoline. I'll be right. I drop it in really fast.
Where you on? Get in it, go.
Hi, Mum. Mummy, blow me a kiss.
Haven't you learned to peg washing out?
I have. Come on. He's coming.
This one.
Go on. Go on.
Oh, next couple of weeks, Jill, I'm going paintballing again in the morning, so I'm only going for like half a day though. It's only been on the time.
Get off there! Push him off! Push him off! Push him off! So you're too big. So you break it and you'll be in big trouble.
There she comes.
Here she comes.
Mummy, Joe and Wayne, I've all got you in the picture.
You what? Oh, good. I'm really glad about it.
God, he's mine is step.
Go! You're supposed to run, you're supposed to walk. Becky, run! Gemma, run! I can just see run over the fence. Run, Wayne! You're going to break that. Wayne, run!
He's as light as anything anyway. You go head first on that.
You filmed this? I told you. You snapped it.
Go on, get in it, rabbit. Get in.
No. Wayne, look at me, Wayne.
Oh, look, you were bloody...
I bet you film each other on this, don't you?
Oh yeah.
I film him, he doesn't film me.
Pornos.
I film him, he doesn't film me.
What, you film me? Doing dirty film?
Oh God! Oh, he's such your eyes in. What have you got?
I better eat that in a minute.
What?
Sausage. Aye. Sausages or burgers?
No, sausages and a kebab.
Mummy, can I take a picture?
Hang on.
What's underneath?
Kill off any bacteria.
What's underneath?
Joe!
We can take a picture, Amanda.
You see Wayne?
I'm going to get some farts so they go up the wall.
Do you see him?
Yeah, those little vines are nice.
Yeah.
Been eating a lot.
Who else can you see now?
Look at these rock legs. Trees there.
But Joe.
Yes.
Can you see Joe?
It wasn't me, I never touched it.
He's stuck now. See that? Take a picture now.
No.
I want to see the wet side of it.
Jenny!
Stuff it up your bum, man. Just don't look.
Jenny!
Funny that everybody says that here, man. It's good, isn't it?
It's a couple of years and how... Yeah.
What? Apple, you're going to wash my lights out.
Look at those ripples of fat on you there, dear. Puppy slab.
You're always better sleep in a bed, don't you?
No, it must be just on there. Where you been?
3 o'clock closing now, isn't it?
Then Don's outside, he wants to know the impression champion.
Gonna be an interesting video, isn't it?
Washing in the mirror.
This is the cooking area. This is the washing area.